Around the world, the sky is becoming the most unpredictable battlefield. Small drones, cruise missiles flying under radar, helicopters and jets hugging the ground. To counter these threats, nations rely on short-range air defense, SHORAD systems designed to protect troops, cities, and critical infrastructure. These systems must react in seconds, operate in harsh conditions, and adapt to rapidly evolving threats. Modern SHORAD is more than missiles. It includes advanced sensors, powerful computers, and wide networks that connect every part of the modern battlefield. Today, we explore 10 of the most advanced short-range air defense systems in the world and the technologies that make them essential in modern warfare. NASAMS. NASAMS is one of the most trusted SHORAD systems on Earth. Developed by Norway and the United States, it protects major cities, including Washington, D.C., through a network of radars and launchers spread across large areas. This distributed design makes NASAMS extremely difficult to disable. Its primary weapon, the AMRAAM missile, is known for its speed, precision, and decades of proven performance in air combat. Upgrades over the years, especially improved seekers and data links, give NASAMS excellent accuracy and engagement range. With strong performance against drones, aircraft, and cruise missiles, NASAMS has become a global favorite, operated by more than a dozen nations. IRIS-T SLM. Germany's IRIS-T SLM has gained a reputation as one of the most accurate air defense systems ever fielded. Its modern radar scans the sky in all directions, while its missile uses an imaging infrared seeker capable of tracking small, fast, maneuvering targets. This seeker can detect the heat signature of engines or exhausts, giving IRIS-T impressive ability to distinguish real threats from decoys. Recent combat performance has demonstrated its reliability against drones and precision weapons. With its combination of range, accuracy, and advanced electronics, IRIS-T SLM has become one of the standout SHORAD systems of the past decade. SPYDER-SR. From Israel comes the SPYDER-SR, a system that brings air-to-air missile technology to the ground. Its Python 5 and Derby missiles were originally designed for fighter jets, giving SPYDER excellent agility and reaction speed against low-flying threats. It excels at intercepting drones, helicopters, and fast aircraft, reacting almost instantly when a threat enters its range. It can also be installed on various vehicle types, allowing nations to tailor the system to their terrain and operational needs. Widely exported and combat trusted, SPYDER is known for its speed, mobility, and highly effective missiles. VL-MICA. France's VL-MICA is a modern and flexible SHORAD solution. Its vertical launch system allows it to fire in any direction, reducing reaction time and improving coverage. Operators can choose between infrared-guided missiles or radar-guided missiles depending on mission needs. This dual-seeker setup gives MICA strong performance against stealthy aircraft, cruise missiles, and fast-moving drones. VL-MICA is respected for its reliability in harsh environments and its strong performance within broader air defense networks. Its compact launcher is especially useful in urban and restricted areas where space and reaction time are limited. Iron Dome. Israel's Iron Dome is one of the most battle-tested air defense systems ever created. Designed to intercept rockets, artillery shells, and drones, it has successfully stopped thousands of real threats in active conflict zones. Iron Dome's radar rapidly identifies incoming projectiles and predicts their impact points. When a populated area is at risk, an interceptor launches with remarkable accuracy. It can engage multiple threats simultaneously, even during mass attacks. Its real-world success has made Iron Dome a global benchmark for short-range air defense and counter-rocket systems. Tor M2. Russia's Tor-M2 is built for frontline warfare, designed to move with armored units and protect them during combat operations. Its radar can operate while the vehicle is in motion, scanning for low-altitude threats approaching from any direction. The Tor's missiles launch vertically and immediately turn toward the target, allowing rapid engagement even in chaotic environments. It is especially valued for its ability to intercept multiple drones, glide bombs, and cruise missiles at once. Tor-M2 remains one of Russia's most capable battlefield air defense systems. HQ-17. China's HQ-17 is a modernized evolution of the Tor system, incorporating digital upgrades and improved radars. It is widely deployed across China's mechanized forces, protecting troops from aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. With stronger data link integration, the HQ-17 communicates efficiently with China's wider air defense network. Its rapid reaction time and full coverage radar make it a reliable mobile SHORAD platform. The launcher is designed for quick relocation, helping it avoid counterattacks and remain effective on the move. Pantsir-S1. Russia's Pantsir-S1 stands out by combining medium-range missiles with twin 30mm cannons, creating a layered defense at multiple distances. The cannons can fire hundreds of rounds per minute, providing a last line of protection against targets that get too close. Pantsir is often used to defend air bases, military sites, and critical infrastructure. Its radar systems and counter-drone capabilities have been upgraded over time, making it a versatile and widely deployed system. FK-3000. China's FK-3000 represents a new generation of air defense aimed at countering drone swarms, one of the defining threats of modern warfare. It combines long-range interceptors, short-range missiles, and clusters of micro-missiles, allowing it to attack many targets at once. Its radar is designed to detect tiny quadcopters as well as fast miniaturized munitions. Together with electronic warfare tools, the FK-3000 forms a layered shield against massed aerial attacks. Its ability to engage dozens of targets make it a powerful tool for future battlefield environments. IM-SHORAD. The United States IM-SHORAD restores mobile air defense to fast-moving ground forces. Mounted on a Stryker armored vehicle, it carries Stingers, Hellfires, a 30mm cannon, and advanced sensors in a single turret. This allows IM-SHORAD to counter drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft while moving with frontline troops. It supports rapid operations without relying on static air defense sites. Its integration into U.S. Army units marks an important shift toward flexible, mobile SHORAD for future combat. Across the world, these 10 systems guard the skies where threats fly low and fast. Some defend cities. Some protect armies on the move. Others prepare for the drone swarms of tomorrow. But all of them share one mission: to keep the modern battlefield safe from the dangers above. Which one impressed you the most? And which country do you think leads the future of SHORAD?